Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to use Python Sound Device module to test our audio and radio equipment, which I sometimes do. So not just that with this module you can play continuous sine signal, you can also play any kind of sound, you can have echo option, like in Windows when you are going to listen to microphone and you have that echo effect, you can plot microphone signals in real time. Absolutely awesome stuff. But we are interested here in producing tone with specific frequency signal basically. So click here on play a sine signal and we are just going to copy paste this stuff, so no coding is needed here. Copy paste will get the job done if you are not that interested in programming. Now question is how to make sure that this thing will work. Well, you need to have this module installed at the first place. So how to install them? Just go to your terminal or command prompt and type pip install any of these, and when you have them everything else will work. Okay, so how to define frequency? Here we are. Okay, so this is 500 Hertz right now, so let's just run this thing and in the background you will hear this signal, and when you press enter, there you go, that's done. So how to change the frequency? Let's go to 1000 and of course that sound will be different. There you go. And if you go to a specific tone of specific frequency, then that thing, you will not hear that thing, for example for 20,000, but yeah, it depends what you're doing. So you don't hear right now anything. And if you go to, let's say 10,000, run module, there you go. So you can test how your ears are good basically, not just your equipment. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Nothing fancy here, nothing too much complicated, but this module will well, at least it's saving me a lot of time, because I already have everything here ready for some parts of my work. And of course you can use additional stuff from this. You can grab a piece of source for echo. Let me test that briefly. Where is my Python? Just a second. Okay, copy paste, cool stuff bro. Just a second, I always forget where is my editor. And now you will hear echo. Test 1, test 2, there you go. And also you can grab a plot of your microphone input. Where is that thing? Plot microphone signal in real time. Let's just copy paste it. Okay, copy paste, and you will see right now without any coding really nice input from microphone. Okay, so you can zoom into specific parts with zoom option, and yeah, you get the point, you know your job. So if you click here on these options, these controls, you can do some kind of repositioning, and you can reset options, you can change dimensions of your how you see your signal and stuff like that. Yeah, so very awesome video. Not video, but module. And as always, just support somehow author of Python and author of any kind of module you like by stating what is their website, what is their YouTube channel, and such a thing. Well, thank you for watching as always, and see you next tutorial.